grade 3. So in this lesson we are going to complete with lesson 2. In our last session we learned how to convert from centimeter to meters and centimeters. Like in this example we have 465 centimeters, and we said in the hundreds place, since each 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, each 100 centimeter is 1 meter. So how many hundreds here? How many 100 centimeters do we have here? We have 400. 400 centimeters means how many meters? 4 meters. And the tens and the ones place, we send them to the centimeter. So it is 400 meters, 65 centimeters, because each 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now notice here that 1 meter, in the hundreds place we put 1 because it is 1 meter. In the tens and ones place are zeros because there's no any fraction in centimeters here. There's no centimeters here. So we just put zeros, right? Now let's go to complete solving this one. Here, how many centimeters, how many meters do we have? We have 5 meters. That means how many centimeters? 500, right? Okay. And how many centimeters do we have in the tens and ones place? Here 30 centimeters. So we are just going to add 500 to 30. Ones with the ones, 0. Tens with the tens, 3. Hundreds with the hundreds, which is 0 here, 5. So 530. So here in the hundreds place we put the meters, and in the tens and ones place we put the centimeters easily. So let's solve this easily. We are going to convert 3 meters, 5 centimeters into centimeters only. 3 meters equals to 300 centimeters, right? Plus 5 centimeters is, what's it in the tens place? 0, good job. What's in the ones place? 5. And then we start adding. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 3 plus 0 is 3. So the answer is 305. And notice here that in the tens place it is 0 because there is no tens place in the centimeter. Okay. Now 2 meters. How many centimeters? Well, 2 meters equals 200 centimeters, right? Plus how many centimeters here? No centimeters, plus 0. So it is 200. And we took as of this example in the first lesson. Now 9 meters, 10 centimeters. Again, 9 meters is equal to 900 centimeters plus 10. 900 plus 10 centimeters are both, so that that's why we can add them. 9 centimeters, 900 centimeters and 10 centimeters is equal to 910 centimeters. Easily, in the hundreds place we just put the meters, and tens and ones we put the centimeters. I want to solve this without adding. Now 3 meters equals 3 in the hundreds place, in the centimeters, and in the tens and the ones place we are just going to put the centimeters, but here the tens place is 0, so we're just going to put 2, 0. So the answer is 302. Now let's start solving the questions on your activity book. Open page 66 on your activity book and let's start solving it. Now here, what is the length? Question number 1, what is the length of the pencil? To the nearest centimeter. To the nearest centimeter, that means we just need a whole number without any fractions, and since this is a centimeter ruler, the length to the nearest centimeter is 10 centimeters, right? Now, write question number 2. Write in meters and centimeters. We have 375 centimeters. We need to convert them into meters and centimeters. And we know that in the hundreds place it is meter. In the hundred place it is meters. So it is 3 meters. And how many centimeters? In the tens and the ones, which is 75. Going for B. In the hundreds place it is meters, so 800 centimeters equals 8 meters. In the ones and the tens place it is centimeters, and remaining as it is, so it is 0, 8. Now, question number 3. Here, 4 meters, 30 centimeters. How many centimeters? Here we know that 4 meters equals 400 centimeters, and then we add them. So the answer is 400 plus 30, that is 430 centimeters. Or in part C, I'm going to solve it as we used to solve it easily without adding. 5 meters means 5 in the hundreds place, and 15 is in the tens and the ones place. Because there is no change on the centimeters, we are not going, it is centimeters to centimeters, it is the same, we didn't convert it at all. So B, 8 meters, 8 centimeters here. I can't put it in the box, you can fit it in the box, so fit it please. In the hundreds place we are going to put the meters, and in the tens and the ones place we are going to put centimeter, right? So what is in the tens place? 0, we don't have any tens, and the ones place 8, so the answer is 808 centimeters. Now 702 centimeters, 7 meters, 2 centimeters is equal to, in the hundred place we write 7, which is in the meters, ones place 0 centimeter, tens place is 0, and ones place is 2. Okay, that is 702 centimeters. Now question number 4 is your homework for today. Please do it. It is in page 67 in your homework on your activity book, and see you next time. Bye guys.